Code D, Part 13 of 14, fiber optic holder. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the unit inches. Enter the name. Fiber optic holder. Click OK. Now create a sketch for our revolve section. Select the YZ datum plane. OK. Select the profile tool. Start a line from XC coordinate 1.09 inches, YC coordinate 0.06 inches. Draw a horizontal line of 0.54 inches, angle 180 degree. Now draw a vertical line from our starting origin, 0.115 inches, angle 90 degree. Draw a horizontal line of 0.195 inches, angle 180 degree. Draw a vertical line of 0.025 inches, angle 90 degree. Draw a horizontal line of 0.05 inches, angle 180 degree. Similarly, draw a vertical line of 0.025 inches, angle 270 degree. Draw a horizontal line of 0.092 inches, angle 180 degree. Now rearrange the dimensions so that our sections will be visible. Select the profile tool. Start from XC0 and YC value 0.452 inches. Draw a slanting line. Edit this vertical height to 0.345 inches. Edit this dimension to 0.55 inches. Draw a arc, 3-point arc starting from here. Edit this radius to 0.4 inches. Draw a vertical line 0.1 inches. To 70 degrees. Select offset. Select this line. Select to a distance of 0.1 inch. OK. Draw a vertical line from here. Select make corner between these two lines. Click OK. Select make corner between these two lines. This is the section for our revolve. Finish the sketch. Select the revolve. To specify the vector, select the y-axis, revolve to 360 degree, click OK, edit the sketch, right click, orient view to trimetric, save the file, close all parts. This completes code D, part 13 of 14, fiber optic holder.